5 reasons why other people are less successful than you. Let's be honest. Everyone is not living their dream. Some successful people are born with special gifts. Elton John is a musical genius. LeBron James is a master on the basketball court, and Albert Einstein is the greatest physicist the world has ever known. However, this does not mean that you are not capable of doing exceptional things during your lifetime. Unfortunately, many people accept a life of mediocrity. They will settle for dead-end jobs and meaningless relationships. They do not make an earnest effort to reach their full potential. Why do some people tolerate complacency? Motivation science has uncovered 5 reasons why some people fail to use their natural talents to make their mark in the world. If you believe you are an underachiever, applying the tips listed below can help you turn your life around. Here are 8 reasons why other people are less successful than you. Before we get into any of that, please make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time we post a new video, since that's by far the best way to support the channel. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into it. Reason 1. Falling for the status quo. It's not unusual for underachievers to frown upon personal development. It may seem weird, but they believe personal development is a sign of weakness. They also believe there is no need for them to take steps towards self-improvement. With a mindset like this, it's easy to see why they take comfort in living an average life. Have you heard of Nick Lowery? He was an exceptional NFL kicker for the Kansas City Chiefs. Mr. Lowery stated, "We must allow ourselves to learn." In short, it takes courage for someone to realize they have developmental needs. It's vital to point out that it takes focus and determination to overcome the obstacles in life. You must be willing to take chances, and you must be eager to step out of your comfort zone. Reason 2. Having doubts about their ability to succeed. Mediocre people entertain negative thoughts throughout the day. When this happens, their self-confidence and determination starts to decline. This is a surefire recipe for disaster. During your journey for success, you must focus on your experience and background knowledge. If you allow negative thoughts to come into play, it will be extremely difficult for you to stay on course. It's important for you to have a strong belief in your intellectual capacity, energy, and strategies. These are the traits of successful people. Reason 3. Using the same solutions for every problem. There's an age-old saying, "One shoe size does not fit all." This old adage simply means that you cannot use the same solution to solve every problem in your life. Your mind is an idea factory. It is capable of creating infinite ideas. If you apply your mind properly, you can solve every problem in your life with ease. Reason 4. Being selfish. It's typical for unsuccessful people to be selfish. They are not concerned about others. They only care about themselves. This type of thinking ruins their opportunities to get help from others. I think it's fair to say that most people are not interested in helping selfish people. John Donne once said, "No man is an island. No man is complete unto himself. You need a universal connection to succeed in life. Opening your life to others will put yourself in position to reach milestones." Reason 5. Overlooking the mind-body connection. Unsuccessful people are not familiar with the intimate relationship between the mind and body. Many of them focus solely on the body and ignore the mind. If you want to turn things around fast, it's critical for you to know that the mind has a direct link to the human body. When they work in unison, special things happen. Let's say you come home after a long day at work. Your stress level is high and your head is throbbing. It's time for you to take several deep breaths. Now focus on positive and healing thoughts. In a short period of time, your body will begin to rejuvenate. Having an understanding of the mind and body connection can pave a path for your success. Final word. You must take full responsibility for your life. When you do, you will see that your fate lies in your hands. If you take heed to the tips listed above, you will join the ranks of successful people. It's time for you to push aside the self-defeating behavior and become a winner in life. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified every single time we post a new video, since that's by far the best way to support the channel. See you in the next one.